Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Julius and I'm watching the best videos of the trading industry with you together, so you don't have to do it all by yourself. In the last video I called it, and today we are here gathered to watch this banger, making $300,000 while my wife gives birth, by our good friend Mambafx, and this is the best video I could possibly imagine. I mean, the title, that's just YouTube gold. I mean, it can't get any better. We get right into it. I want to see how Mamba is making the $300,000 while waiting for his child, I guess. Make it a little faster. You guys leave a like and a sub real quick down below before I forget it. Thank you for your support. That's just 5 seconds of work for you and means a lot to me. So we get right into it. Here we go. Baby day, alright.
It was scheduled C-section for about 12 o'clock today, so we have another few hours before I leave. I thought I'd get on here and trade with you guys first. And
yeah, first of all, so the baby is not there yet, but first of all, of course, we have to congratulate Mamba for expanding his little family. I think that is one of the most beautiful things. Congrats.
See if I can help everyone make some cash today. Positions are pretty deep though, so we might have to wait a second. Probably gonna go with like a 35-40 point stop. We will see. Probably gonna sell US 30 here then. Come on, one more push and I'll sell this position here. All right.
So let me just analyze what is happening here. So this is the Nasdaq, but we are here in the US 30. He kind of made again a little range, but now he's selling right at the opening, I guess. So more or less at his entry point. Again, the 5 take profits, you know the deal, guys. One and only stop loss. Let's see.
Selling US 30. First position of the day. Our first zone is...
We know that he basically has to get to the second or third take profit to even make money in a case where his remaining position then gets stopped out. Okay, so for example, if 2/5 of his position are gonna be taken out and 3/5 are running in a stop loss, he's not making big money.
Just sitting there at target 1. Target 1 just got hit.
So beautiful. Target 1 just got hit. 1/5 of the position is out.
Beautiful push. Nasdaq sales are here. I'm gonna get ready to enter this position in 1 second. I'm gonna hold off on selling for 1 second. I just want to make sure this wants to push. Shit, US 30 is pushing back down again. Oh, target 1 for Nasdaq.
Okay, also in the Nasdaq.
I'm in both. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I am in both. I ended up selling both, so we'll see what happens. Target 2 on Nasdaq. About $100,000 on both positions right now.
Yeah, the problem is that now 2/5 are in profit. If the remainder is running into his stop loss, we calculated that on a previous video, then he's still in a loss.
It's just kind of phenomenal. I'm gonna close these positions live for you guys to see right here, right now. 45, 51.
And that is totally right, but he has to close everything, yeah?
There it is. Welcome to the Mamba Show.
And I think he did that. So that was a perfect trade. He waited for one of his levels to be hit and then closed the full position. And that is the right thing to do. Not making those partial take profits. Trading with partial take profits could lead to big problems when you have a bigger position that is at the end running in the stop loss. Okay, enough said.
$100,000 made in the morning during New York session with the live group. If you guys.
So how much did we already make?
Another $100,000 made in the
100,000. Let me see. Yeah, okay, it's combined 100,000.
No, the Mamba Show.
Very nice.
Another $100,000 made in the morning during New York session with the live group. If you guys are not in the kingdom already, I don't know what you're doing. You're missing out. You're not catching these profits with us, and you're still trying to do this all on your own, which is such a big mistake with trading, but it is what it is. Other than that, I'm about to go have another baby, so we're gonna go to the hospital and get this baby out, man. It's been 10 months, and it's time. It's time for another son to be here. It's been a while since I've had a son. It's baby day. Baby 18. Welcome to the family. Watching videos of it to prepare yourself?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is he last birth video? Okay, so he's basically filming his wife in labor on a regular basis.
Expect. I don't even know what I brought. Hopefully just a bunch of cigars. Just realized I haven't given you guys a proper house tour yet. Not that I'm going to do it right now, but I do want to show you guys a couple features, like my new bar, which I
Whoa, this looks good, guys.
love. Check this out. I literally have a bar in my house. I can just sit down, have a drink, smoke a cigar, and life is great. Life is great. There's a lot of rooms in this house too, but I'll show you guys one more. So I have this like little wine room too, where we kind of just chill.
I like his style. I said it before, his office looks great. He has a great taste in furniture.
So, have a glass of wine, talk. So many little rooms like this. What are you doing? Get up out of here. But yeah, just another little feature of the house that I like. All right, guys, I'm gonna be heading to the hospital now. I'm gonna have this baby. Look to see if there's any trades I can take and make some money, because babies are not free. Diapers cost money. I didn't even show you guys the stroller. Dior strollers cost money. Housing costs money. Bed, all this shit costs money. So I gotta keep making money to provide for all these kids, man. It's getting crazy. But I made that decision. I love what I do. I love all my kids. I'm gonna continue to make as much money as I can for them so they can all live the life that I didn't get to live. That's the goal. That's the purpose. That's why I'm here. That's why I believe I was put on this earth. Now let's get
Good words.
to the hospital. But first, let me show you the bag that we bought, or the bag, the stroller. All Dior. Look at that. And oh, that's actually a diaper bag. Oh, so that's a diaper bag. And you got the actual stroller
A Dior stroller, alright?
itself. It was like 8 or
Why not?
9 grand, because she got all these damn accessories. But so you're looking at like $14,000 just right here in Dior. What are we talking about? This is what I'm talking about right here. For
That's really expensive, guys.
one baby. That's one of 18 now. So
Is this real? 18 babies? Is this real? What? Okay, this is new to me. I did not know that. Guys, tell me in the comments down below. Incredible.
it's getting expensive. Officially on our way to the hospital. Get this baby out. Ready to have this baby or what?
Sorry.
Get him the hell out of there.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Been a long 10 months for me. Ready to get this baby out, man.
10 months. I'm not an expert on a woman's body, but isn't it supposed to be 12 months? Isn't 10 months a little too early? I'm not sure. Maybe there are reasons for that, but 10 months sounds a little early.
My current thoughts right now are either professional athlete or day trader, but successful either way. Can you imagine being born and picked up in a Rolls Royce? It's your first car. That's the car you get to take home, is a Rolls Royce. Here's the boy's car seat.
Gucci blanket.
Wrapped in a Gucci blanket in the back of a Rolls Royce on your way to your multi-million-dollar mansion where you're going to be spoon-fed for the rest of your life. Get whatever you want, whenever you want. Your first car is probably going to be like a Lamborghini. Already going to have a house for 18. It's like ridiculous.
Is it really that beneficial for a kid to grow up in such a rich household? I mean, okay, in a rich household, probably it is beneficial, but getting everything you want immediately, I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on all of this, guys. Just my initial thought was like, okay, maybe, I don't know if it's that beneficial for your character development, if everything is always there. You don't basically have to work for something. I'm not sure.
I love that. My dad,
I mean, Mamba isn't that successful as he is out of nothing, okay? He had that character that he wanted to make his life better. He wanted to have the best possible life, okay? So this development probably came from a starting point in which he had nothing.
I don't know what he got me or gave me ever, actually. Fried Twinkie one time or some shit. Come on out. Ready. Come on out.
Do it.
All right, what do you got in here?
My makeup bag. We got the hospital bag. And we have your bag.
Bunch of Louis. I see some Gucci sticking out.
Oh, yeah.
What is that, a blanket?
Yes.
Gucci blanket. Okay. See him. See how he's going to be rocking in this world. Coming. You're watching this right now, son? We're at the hospital. About to get you up out of here. Break you free of your mom's womb. We've officially secured our room. This is where she's giving birth. This is where the baby's going to be placed afterwards to check for oxygen and all that good stuff. And then that is where I sleep. Now, this ain't the Ritz-Carlton, but we do get a view of these rocks. Real baby. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready to deliver this baby. I said it like I'm the doctor or some shit, but I want to come back to you guys when the baby's here. Should I come back when the baby's here?
Yeah.
Let me be in the moment. I don't want to film the moment. I want to be in the moment.
Oh yeah.
And then come back, and then I'll show the baby. I'll be back in a little bit. Baby should be here
All right, I'm excited.
in about 2 seconds for you. 1, 2. So the baby is officially here.
Yeah, I didn't expect that this is such a baby vlog. I wasn't expecting that, guys. I thought we were just gonna see some trading, but this is like a real important video.
He's perfect, amazing little boy. 6 pounds,
Congrats, Mamba, congrats.
15 ounces,
Yes.
something like that.
Yes.
4 or 5 million, something like that. But no, we're chilling now. We got probably 2-3 days here now. I get to sleep on this beautiful, beautiful sofa. And just so you guys know, even if you're filthy, disgusting rich, you still gotta sleep on a regular sofa. There was no sweet upgrades available. I asked. Chilling right here. Beautiful view of the parking lot. Get to spend time with my wife and baby now, and then go home and yeah. I'm looking at the charts. I mean, there's not a lot.
Nothing I can say about that. Just congratulations. Very nice. I'm happy.
for me to do. So I'm probably gonna just stare at charts all day, trying to make a bunch of money while I'm here, because why not? Why not? Babies are expensive. He's gonna need some diapers when we get back, and yeah, they're not gonna pay for themselves. So I will be browsing the charts in a little bit, probably tonight, and see if I can make some trading moves happen while I'm here. So I'm currently in bed, just kind of chilling and looking at the charts, and I actually noticed a little trade set up happening.
Okay, we are in the Nasdaq.
Here on Nasdaq right now as we speak. However, we did have
in the 5 minutes.
Little break of support. If I can get price to continue to push back down, I'm going to take the sell position here on Nasdaq. As you guys can see, we have...
My first thought is like, it's the right thing, okay? I know, maybe you catched yourself thinking, oh wow, printing a bullish pin bar, market fell so far, I want to buy this bad boy. There are arguments for a long position, okay? But keep in mind that we are in the big picture just falling, okay? Always ask yourself this question. Is the probability really that high that you will catch now the lowest point of this trend? Is this now the lowest point of this trend? And when you enter long, you really catch the lowest point? Guys, it can happen, but it's way more unlikely than this trend just continues short. That is way more likely, guys. I have to say that, okay? The probability for you to catch the exact reversal from such a trend is slim. You might catch a little reversal long, but overall the short trend might be still intact. And in the case we are not getting out fast enough, you're just gonna lose.
Have a push to the downside. We're breaking through support.
So short is in a short trend the right choice.
Overall, the trend is very...
Maybe you could argue, okay, Mamba is getting in right at the lows. This could be a little risky. Maybe wait for a little retracement higher whatsoever. But nevertheless, it's right.
Bearish, meaning we should be good for sells here. I just want to see a little more movement from this candle to officially take the sell. All right, might be just a little premature on the sell, but I'm going to hit the sell button here. We're going to pretty much just watch this trade and see what happens. But price does...
I can imagine that the market is moving a little higher and then it's continuing short. This could be very well lead to a liquidity fish, okay? After such a pin bar, a lot of guys are buying. And eventually they probably get fished once more, at least once more.
Start to push back up, I will close for my loss, but overall...
And Mamba looks pretty tired here. So props that he is still thinking about trading and executing big positions here.
Looks pretty decent right now, so keep an eye on it, see what happens, and hopefully I don't fall asleep because it's been a long day. Nothing crazy, but I am going to close this trade right here at about $22,000.
Can we take another look?
Very simple, very easy trade. Push, break, take your sell.
Unfortunately, we did not see.
Close at a 1 to
how the chart looked.
3. It's as simple as that. And honestly, that was closer to a 1 to 2. But it's as simple as that. And I can just relax, go to sleep, and wake up and do it all again. I just made 20 grand for this little boy.
Okay, let's skip a little bit.
With our lives. I needed more motivation. That's why I did this. I needed a little bit more motivation to... Officially Friday morning.
Okay, he's back into his trading office.
I'm gonna end up closing this trade overall for about 100. All right, guys, so it is officially Friday morning. I have been here for a day now with my baby. Things are great. I do want to show you guys this trade that I'm getting ready to close out on.
Hopefully we're gonna see the execution and not just the P&L.
I'll hit screen record on my phone so you can see it better than probably what you'll see here. But yeah. I'm gonna end up closing this trade overall for about 122 plus 160, so about $180,000 total.
Okay, now the $300,000 are reached. Hopefully we're gonna see something from this trade.
Profit just today, meaning that I have in total have made the first day 100 does 280, and then at the hospital I did like a 20 piece or something like that too. So made close to $300,000 from the day we went in to have the baby till now, which has been a total of about 3 days. So about 300K in 3 days, which is about $100,000 per day just made within this period. And that's one of the main reasons that I love trading, is because you can...
Okay, I think we are not able to see the charts again, just his live at the pool, and I think you might be very welcome to watch the rest of the video on your own. Link is as always in the description, guys. So the first trade was basically the one that we could analyze the best, and then the one on his mobile phone. Unfortunately, he did not show us how the trade evolved, and then now the third trades here, the third and the fourth, and it's just like we weren't able to see anything, just the P&L. Okay, nevertheless, this was a really important video. I did not expect that. I thought he would be just like, okay, my wife's giving birth, I'm gonna trade here a little bit, this is what I'm executing, blah, blah, blah. He showed us everything, okay? Very big, important moment of his life. Congratulations, Mamba, great video, deserves a like. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully my analysis was a little helpful here and a little bit interesting. Thank you for your support. We're gonna see us next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye-bye.